Good morning, children. It is unit test 5 coaching, in which practical geometry and graph very important, because practical geometry carries 8 marks and graph 8 marks. So today our aim is going to learn practical geometry and graph. Now listen the question. See, example 4.17, which is page number 175. Construct a triangle PQR. Construct a triangle PQR in which PQ is equal to 8 centimeter. Listen again. Construct a triangle PQR in which PQ equal to 8 centimeter and measurement of angle R is equal to 60 degree. And the median RG from R to PQ is 5.8 centimeter. Again, construct a triangle PQR in which PQ equal to 8 centimeter, comma, measurement of angle R is equal to 60 degree, and the median RG, from R to PQ is 5.8 centimeter. Okay, see, up to this full stop, one step. We want to construct a triangle PQR in which the line segment PQ equal to 8 centimeter, comma, measurement of angle R is equal to 60 degree, and the median RG from R to PQ is 5.8 centimeter. Okay, up to this one step. That is the first part. Now, second part. Find the length of the altitude. Listen. Find the length of the altitude. Okay. Find the length of the altitude from R to PQ, which is second part 2. Okay, there are two parts. First part, second part. First part, we want to draw a triangle PQR, and we want to draw the median RG from R to PQ, which is first part. And the second part, also find the length of the altitude from R to PQ, which is second part. Okay, see, for practical geometry, we need a rough diagram and a fair diagram. Let us draw rough diagram. Listen, rough diagram. Okay, rough figure or rough diagram. See, triangle PQR. Okay, let us draw a triangle PQR. Triangle PQR. See, listen, triangle PQR. Triangle PQR. Okay. Next step. Construct a triangle PQR in which PQ equal to 8 centimeter. See, PQ is equal to 8 centimeter. Here, the line segment PQ equal to 8 centimeter. Therefore, PQ must be the base. That is important. The PQ must be the base. Here, PQ equal to 8 centimeter. Therefore, PQ must be the base. Next, measurement of angle R equal to 60 degree. Therefore, the vertical vertex should be R. Measurement of angle R equal to 60 degree. Therefore, R should be the vertical vertex, which is 60 degree. Okay, measurement of angle R equal to 60 degree. Next, and the median RG from R to PQ. Listen, the median RG, for example, the median RG from R to PQ. Okay, the median RG from R to PQ is equal to 5.8 centimeter. Listen, the median RG, suppose, which is G. Okay, listen, let it be G, which is already 8 centimeter. PQ equal to 8 centimeter, that's no problem. PQ equal to 8 centimeter. PQ equal to 8 centimeter. Listen, see, the median RG from R to PQ is 5.8 centimeter. Okay, rough diagram ready. Now, we want to move fair diagram. Okay, now listen the steps. Step 1. Draw PQ equal to 8 centimeter using scale. Listen, using scale, draw PQ is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, using scale, draw PQ is equal to 8 centimeter. Listen carefully. Using scale, draw PQ is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, PQ is equal to 8 centimeter. Step 1. Next step. Say consider measurement of angle R equal to 60 degree. Now take protractor P as a center. Okay. P as a center, 60 degree we have to count. Okay. P as a center, 60, which is the line segment PQ. PQ is equal to 8 centimeter. Step 1. Step 2. P as a center, PQ as a line. Okay. Now, which side I have to count? Whether right or left? Very good. Right side. Because the protractor sitting on the line in right side, which is a line segment, the protractor sitting on the line right side. So I have to count from right side. Okay, listen. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So 60 degree here. 60 degree. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 degree. Now P, which is 60 degree point. Now using scale, join this 60 degree line, long line. Okay. Now before joining this, small touch, small touch. Okay. Now draw a long line. Yes. Now for our convenience, arrow. Okay. Listen again. PQ is equal to 8 centimeter. P as a center. Keep the protractor downwards and count from right side 0 to 60 degree. Join. And which is arrow. Draw a long arrow. Okay. Now again take the same protractor. Now this again P as a center. And which is a P, suppose it is E. Let us think it is E, which is capital E. Now P as a center and PE as a straight line. Count 90 degree. Okay, that is a right angle I want to measure, right angle. Listen, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 90 is right angle. See both sides, if you count from down to upward or upward to downward, because 90 degree available in one place only, therefore 90 degree. Again listen, step 1, PQ equal to 8 centimeter. Step 2, keep the protractor downwards 60 degree. Then again P as a center, PE as a line 90 degree, that is right angle. Now I want to join using scale. Using scale, join these 2 points P and this 90 degree point, and before joining, small touch, trace long line. Okay, listen again, small touch, okay, draw a line. One can extend, no problem, one can extend, or up to this enough, after this, one can extending also, correct, no problem. Suppose, why not, extend. Up to this ready, listen, P, Q. It is P, Q, and E, which is F, capital F. P, Q, E, F. And here, which is 60 degree, and it is 90 degree. Okay, 60 degree, but this total angle equal to 90 degree. Up to this, correct. Now, take compass, listen carefully, take compass, P as a center. Okay, P as a center, more than half of PQ. P as a center, more than half of PQ. Upward 1 arc, downward 1 arc. With the same radius, Q as a center, with the same radius, Q as a center, cut the forward arc. Cut the forward arc. And upwards not intersect, therefore again extend for our convenience, which is enough, and if you know it, we can rough, no problem. Okay, now listen, small touch, now take long scale, join these 2 points. Okay, take long scale, join these 2 points. Before that, small touch is draw the perpendicular bisector, which is perpendicular bisector. Okay, and the point of intersection of PQ and the perpendicular bisector of PQ. So it is PQ and it is perpendicular bisector of PQ. Let this point of meeting point be G. Okay, meeting point be G. Listen again, listen carefully. Draw PQ equal to 8 centimeter. And say projector downwards is 60 degree. Then again using projector 90 degree. Then P as a center more than half of PQ upward 1 arc, downward 1 arc with the same radius. Q as a center, cut the former arcs. Now join and draw the perpendicular bisector of PQ. The meeting point of PQ and the perpendicular bisector of PQ is G. Okay, after this ready. Now listen. The meeting point of perpendicular bisector, the meeting point of perpendicular bisector and this 90 degree line, which is the point of intersection, and let it be O. Okay. Now listen. O as a center and OP as a radius. Children listen. O as a center, yes. OP as a radius. Similar way, similar idea. O as a center, OQ as a radius. Yes, both sides we want to touch. Okay. O as, that is OP and OQ. Okay, or equal in length. Yes, OP and OQ as a radius, draw a circle. And draw a circle which is passing through the points PQ. Draw a circle with the center at O, passing through PQ. Okay. Yes, pa. Okay. Now listen, steps very important. Listen, step 1, draw PQ equal to 8 centimeter. Step 2, P as a center, downwards projected 60 degree. Then again P as a center, P as a line 90 degree. Okay. Then using compass, P as a center more than half of PQ. See upward 1 arc, downward 1 arc with the same radius. Q as a center, cut the former arcs. Draw the perpendicular bisector of PQ which meets at G. Now the 90 degree line and the perpendicular bisector meets at O. Now O as a center, OP as a radius and OQ as a radius, draw a circle. Up to this, correct. Okay, now come to the question. The question is, listen, up to this part is same as for median, altitude and angle bisector. So construct a triangle PQR, we have 3 topics. The 3 main topics, they are median, altitude and angle bisector. There are 3 keywords are there. Okay, for this month our syllabus is median. Median is the main keyword. Okay, see whether median or altitude or angle bisector, up to this working rule is same. Children listen. Now the question is, the median RG from R to PQ is 5.8 centimeter, which means, see, that is, the median RG from R to PQ is 5.8 centimeter, which means, say 5.8 centimeter as a radius, okay, G as a center, 5.8 centimeter as a radius, using scale, take 5.8 centimeter, G as a center, we want to cut the circle, both the left and the right. Okay, listen, G as a center, sorry, P as a center, no, thank you. Listen, G as a center, 5.8 centimeter as a radius, 5.8 centimeter as a radius, cut both the left and the right. We want to cut both the left side and also right side. Okay, listen again, G as a center, 5.8 centimeter. G as a center, 5.8 centimeter as a radius, cut the circle both the left and the right. Okay. Yes. G as a center, 5.8 centimeter as a radius, cut the circle both the left and the right. See already PQ. Listen, already the line segment PQ. We need the triangle PQR. Okay. And R may be left or right, no problem. But for our convenience, let the left side be R. So R and R dash. Listen, this meeting point is R and this meeting point is R dash. That's all. Now join PR and QR. Okay. Join PR and QR. Join PR. Listen. Join PR and QR. Join PR and QR. Okay. Join PR. Join PR and QR. Join PR and QR. Okay. Now, see RG is the median, which is 5.8 centimeter. So where this dotted line denotes median RG, which is 5.8 centimeter, 5.8 centimeter. Okay, 5.8 centimeter. Up to this ready. Now, so listen. Construct a triangle PQR in which the median RG from R to PQ is 5.8 centimeter. So first part over. Second part, also find the length of the altitude from R to PQ. Also find the length of the altitude from R to PQ. Okay, so that is why extend PQ in left side, left way. Extend PQ. Okay. Extend PQ in left side. Yes. Extend PQ in left side. Okay. Extend PQ left side. Because second part also find the length of the altitude from R to PQ. Length of the altitude from R to PQ. So that is why extend PQ left way. Now using compass, R as a center. Listen. R as a center. At any suitable radius. R as a center at any suitable radius. Listen again. R as a center at any suitable radius. Left one cut and right one cut. Now with the same radius, listen, there are two intersecting points. Now with the same radius, the initial meeting point as a center downwards one arc. With the same radius, the second meeting point as a center. With the same radius, cut the former arc, which is a point of intersection. Now join R and this point of intersection. Let this point of intersection be capital N. Okay. Now join RN. Join RN using scale. Join RN. Yes, join RN. Before joining, see small touch. Yes, which is RN. Extend downwards. Yes, extend downwards, no problem, which is one arrow. Now listen, already we aimed that, listen, PQ. So this point is capital P, okay. Yes, this point is capital P. Let this, which is a perpendicular, because altitude means a perpendicular, and this meeting point of PQ and RN be capital M, suppose. Okay, this point is M. See, this point is initial point P, but this point is Rm is the altitude, that is length of the altitude. Rm is the length of the altitude, and Rm length. I want to measure using length of the altitude Rm, and yes, which is 3.8 centimeter. Listen, now below the diagram or right of the diagram, length of the altitude. Length of the altitude. Length of the altitude is equal to length of the altitude from R to PQ. Length of the altitude from R to PQ. Okay. Listen. The length of the altitude from R to PQ is equal to, that is, which is equal to, that is Rm. Rm, which is equal to 3.8 centimeter. Okay. Again listen, length of the altitude from R to PQ is given by Rm equal to 3.8 centimeter. You want to measure using scale and you want to write result. And this result carries 1 mark. That is important. Okay. Children listen, let us say revision. Okay, which is revision? That is recalling. Listen, step 1. Draw PQ equal to 8 centimeter. Yes, PQ is equal to 8 centimeter. Listen, draw PQ is equal to 8 centimeter. Step 1. Step 2. Using projector downwards 60 degree. Okay. Next, using projector PE as a line 90 degree. Okay. PE as a line 90 degree. Now P as a center using compass. P as a center more than half of PQ, upward 1 arc, downward 1 arc with the same radius. Q as a center, cut the former arcs, join, and this perpendicular bisector and PQ meeting at G. Let O be the point of intersection of the perpendicular bisector and this perpendicular line. Now OP as a radius and OQ as a radius, draw a circle. Then G as a center and RG equal to 5.8 centimeter. G as a center, 5.8 centimeter as a radius. Cut the circle both left and right and let it be R and R dash. Okay. Next, join PR and QR. So PQR is a triangle ready. Also find the length of the altitude from R to PQ. For that, extend PQ left way. R as a center at any suitable radius, left 1 arc, right 1 arc. Let the first meeting point as a center with the same radius, downwards 1 arc with the same radius. Second meeting point as a center, cut the former arc. Let this point of intersection is N, join Rn. Now the initial point is P, but this perpendicular, which is a perpendicular, altitude means perpendicular, this perpendicular point is M, and the length of the altitude Rm is equal to, the length of the altitude from R to PQ is equal to Rm is equal to 3.8 centimeter approximately. Thank you. Children, listen. Next our topic is graph. Listen. Draw the graph of, listen carefully. Draw the graph of, okay, step 1. Draw the graph of y equal to x square plus 4x plus 3. And hence, listen, where and is a conjunction, which means and before step 1 and after step 2, there are 2 steps. Okay. Draw the graph of y is equal to x square plus 4x plus 3, first part, and is a conjunction, and after second part, and hence find the roots of the equation, and hence find the roots of the equation. Okay. Draw the graph of and hence find the roots of the equation. So we want to find these roots of the equation. Okay, this equation. Okay, now first part, second part. First let us draw the graph of, listen, y is equal to x square plus 4x plus 3. Okay, y equal to x square plus 4x plus 3. Now we want to prepare the table. Listen, how to prepare the table? Listen carefully. Listen, first x values. Okay, first x values. First row x values. Second row, first always x fixed. Next I need x square. Yes, x listen, x next to x square is ready. X square. Yes, here only 1x square. Rather simple. Second line over. Next, first time first x fixed, x values. Next x square, first time yes, x square. Next I need 4x. Yes, x available here 4x. Third row is 4x. Good. Next third term 3. Listen again. First x fixed. Next first term x square. Second term 4x. Third term 3. Now take the whole question. That is y is equal to. Listen. Y is equal to x square plus 4x plus 3. The whole question I want to take. Okay. X, next x square, 4x, 3. Then take the whole question y is equal to x square plus 4x plus 3. Complete the table. Now, draw the vertical line. Now, let us take x values. Usually we are taking x values from -4 to +4. Okay. And sometimes it is not possible, means we want to extend the left way and one can extend the right way also according to the situation. So usually we are taking -4 to +4. Okay. Now for our convenience, let us not -4 to, for this question, let us take -4 to +2. Okay. If not possible, means we can extend it. One can extend the left way and the right way also. Okay, listen. -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Usually we are taking -4 to +4. And not enough means one can extend the left side also and the right side also according to the question. Now draw the vertical lines. Draw the vertical lines. Yes. After this ready. Now x can take the, for our convenience we are taking x values from -4 to +2. Next, x square. So listen, square gives always positive. X square, which means -4 the whole square. I told already square gives always positive. So -4 the whole square is equal to, very good, 16. Next, -3 the whole square is equal to 9. -2 the whole square equal to 4. -1 the whole square equal to 1. 0 square equal to 0. 1 square equal to, very good, 1. 2 square equal to, yes, 4. Next, 4x. Here x available, it is 4x, which means x is multiples of 4. Okay, that is the fourth table. Listen, 4x, it is x value. 4x means 4 fours are, good, 16. But a plus into minus, minus. So 4 fours are 16, minus 16. Okay, 4 threes are 12. Very good. Plus into minus, minus 12. Next, 4 twos are 8. Good, minus 8. Okay. 4 into -1, yes, minus 4. 4 into 0, 0. 4 into 1 equal to 4. That is 1 4 is 4. Next, 4 twos are 8. Next, 3. 3 is fixed. Listen, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 fixed. Okay. Now listen, y is a sum of 1, 2, 3 times. Y is a sum of 3 times. So y is a sum of 1, 2, 3 times. So that is why I want to forget first row. First row fully I want to forget. Okay. Forget first row. Forgetting first row. Y is a sum of 1, 2, 3 times. Yes, y is a sum of 1, 2, 3 times. Forget first row. Now I want to add. See, carefully I want to forget first row because y is a sum of 1, 2, 3 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3 times. Minus 16 plus 16 cancel. What is your answer? Very good. 3. Because minus 16 plus 16 cancel. Okay, back here. Oh, very good. 0. Because 9 plus 3, 12. So minus 12. Minus 12 plus 12 cancel. 0. Next. Oh, okay, what is your answer? Very good. 7. 7 minus 8? Yes, minus 1. Minus 1. Next row. Here. Very good. 1 plus 3, 4. Plus 4 minus 4. Cancel. 0. Next. What is total? 0 plus 0 plus 3. Good. 3. Next. 1 plus 4 plus 3. Very good. 8. Next. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 8? Yes, 15. Now, plot the points on the graph sheet. Plot the points on the graph sheet, x value, y value. Plot the points on the graph sheet, -4, 3, -4, 3, comma, -3, 0, -3, 0. Next, -2, -1, -2, -1, comma, -1, 0, -1, 0, comma, 0, 3, comma, 1, 8, and 2, 15. 2, 15. Listen, plot the points on the graph sheet and join the points to get a smooth curve. Okay, here, listen the technique. Here, -3, 0. So we want to take the points left and right. How to take the points? How to choose the points? X values means. Here we are getting. We want to get 2 zeros. Okay. not for all the sums. Try to get two zeros. Listen, here 1 0, here 1 0. Yes, two zeros. And these 2 points only intersect at the x-axis. And between two zeros, all negatives. Between two zeros, all negatives. And after zeros, all positives. That is important. So our how to take x values means we want to try to get two zeros, not for all the sums. That is almost sums. And between two zeros, negative, and after two zeros, positives. Okay. Table ready? Plot the points and on the graph sheet and join the points to get a smooth curve. Now listen. Okay, children listen. Now let us prepare that graph sheet. Listen. It is my graph sheet. Yes. Which is my graph sheet? Listen. Consider it is my graph sheet. Okay. Now I want to draw x-axis and y-axis. Okay. How to draw x-axis? That is important. Whether x-axis I want to draw center or up, somewhat downwards or somewhat upwards. So that is my aim. So to draw the x-axis, whether center or somewhat downward x-axis or somewhat upward x-axis, that we want to get idea. Listen, here to draw x-axis, consider y values. Listen, in y values negative -1, highest negative -1, but positive 15. So listen, to draw x-axis, I want to consider y values. Here negative -1, but positive up to 15. So that is why we want to draw somewhat downward. Okay, somewhat downward, like this. Okay, somewhat downward I want to draw. Now, yes, draw x-axis. Yes, which is x-axis and the x-dash axis. So listen, x-axis downward 0, -1, -2 like this. And upwards we need 15 because negative -1 y value and positive 15. So that is why x-axis should be somewhat downward. Okay. Now I want to draw y-axis. Whether y-axis is center or somewhat left or somewhat right, that is technique. Okay. To draw y-axis, consider x values. Here x values -4 to +2. So negative -4 and positive 2. So negative only -4, positive is less, negative more. So that is why somewhat downward, but -4 to +4, one can draw y-axis center, no problem. Because x value is -4 to 2 only. So let us draw, which is y-axis. Listen, y-axis, y-dash axis. Meeting point is 0, origin 0. Okay, up to this ready. Now I want to write scale. Okay, scale important. Listen, scale. Scale. See, usually take along x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. But along y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 units for all the sums. Not only this question, but also all the question, which is very simple. Along x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit and along y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 units, which is a scale. Scale in x-axis. In x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Okay, next. In y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. Okay, scale first. Now, yes, we told along x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. So that is why right side 0, suppose 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Left side listen, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, etc. Listen, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Left side 0, -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay. We are taking along y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. So that is why 0 here -2, suppose. 0, minus 2, minus 4. Children listen, say 0, minus 2, minus 4. Okay, upwards. That is 2 units, you know. So approximately on to A. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Yes, approximately we are going to get. Listen, Pa. Listen. 2, 0, 2, 4, okay, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay, listen. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Suppose y-axis may be right side. Okay, let it be which is 16. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay, up to this already. Now plot the points on the graph side. The first point, minus 4, 3. Okay, minus 4 in x-axis, 3 in y-axis. 3 in y-axis, approximately, this point. Which is minus 4, 3. Next point. Minus 3, 0. So minus 3 in x-axis, 0 in y-axis. So this point, this same point, minus 3, 0. Next, minus 2, minus 1. Minus 2 in x-axis, minus 1 in y-axis. Suppose this point here, which is minus 2, minus 1. Next, minus 1, 0. Yes, minus 1 in x-axis, 0 in y-axis. Minus 1, 0. Yes, minus 1, 0. Next, 0, 3. 0 in x-axis, 3 in y-axis. Yes, 0, 3. 0, 3. Next, 1, 8. 1 in x-axis, 8 in y-axis. Okay, 8 in y-axis. 1, 8. Next, 2, 15. Listen, 2 in x-axis and 15 in y-axis. Suppose this point. Okay. Now, say, join the points to get a smooth curve. Okay. Join the points to get a smooth curve. Join the points to get a smooth curve. Join the points to get a smooth curve. So we want to extend left side upward and also right side also upward. We can extend. Okay. Which is the draw the graph of is completed. Okay. Draw the graph of. What is the curve? Can you tell me curve? Y is equal to, here I want to write, which is y is equal to x square plus 4x plus 3. Okay. Draw the graph of y equal to x square plus 4x plus 3. First part completed. Draw the graph of y equal to x square plus 4x plus 3. Over. Next. And hence find the roots of the equation. And hence find the roots of the equation. Okay. Listen, first part, draw the graph of y is equal to x square plus 4x plus 3 completed. Next, second part, and hence find the roots of the equation x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. X square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0 is a question. Okay. Now listen, the second part is, listen carefully, second part is y is equal to x square plus 4x plus 3, which is draw the graph of first equation. And hence solve the equation x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. So first equation is y equal to. And the second equation we want to think in reverse, that is 0 equal to. X square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Otherwise 0 equal to x square plus x plus 1. So 0 equal to x square plus x plus 1. Listen again. Draw the graph of and hence solve the equation. See, in question paper, this equal to 0 in right side. For my convenience, I am taking equal to 0 in left side, that's all. And also let us consider, listen the technique. It is y equation, it is 0 equation. Likewise, you want to think. Okay, now I want to subtract. Okay, sign change. Sign change means plus 0, change to minus 0. Plus x square, change to minus x square. Plus x, change to minus x. Plus 1, change to minus 1. That is, plus change to minus, plus change to minus, minus change to plus, plus change to minus. Suppose here minus means minus change to plus. Sign change, that's all. Okay, now any idea you clear after yourself? Good. Y minus 0 equal to y. Equal to plus x square minus x square. Cancel. Next step. Plus 4x minus 1x. What is your answer? Good. 3x. 3x. Plus 3 minus 1. Plus 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 equal to? Yes, 2. That's all. Now listen. Take y equal to one equation. Next 0 equal to second equation. Subtract. We get a y equal to 3x plus 2. Now I want to draw small table. I want to prepare one table. Small table. Yes. Here, first x values. Okay, first row x values. Fixed, x values fixed. Now come to the question. I need 3x. Yes, I need 3x. Second row 3x. Next, what is second term? Yes, 2. Now take the whole question. The total question I want to take. That is, y is equal to 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2. That's all. Now listen again. It is very simple. First x value fixed. Next, first term 3x, second term 2. Take the whole question 3x plus 2. Now, here y equal to 3x plus 2. Listen, y power 1, x power 1, which is a linear equation. And say x term, y term constant, which is a straight line. And it is of the form y equal to mx plus c. It is a straight line. So, to draw a straight line, it is enough 2 points. But for our convenience, let us consider 3 points. That is, x can take the values minus 1, 0, plus 1 for our convenience. Minus 1, 0, plus 1. That's all. To draw a straight line, it is enough 2 points. But for my convenience, I am taking 3 points. X can take the values minus 1, 0, 1. Why not? Suppose x can take the values minus 2, 2, plus 2. X can take the values minus 3, 2, plus 3. That is your choice, no problem. See, I am taking, x can take the values minus 1, 2, plus 1. Minus 1, 0, plus 1. Okay, x value minus 1, but I need 3x. Okay, what is your answer? Very good. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 3 into 0, 0. 3 into 1, 3. Now 2. So 2 is a constant which is fixed. So 2, 2, 2. Now y is a sum of 2 terms. Y is a sum of 2 terms. Y is a sum of 2 terms, therefore forget. Y is a sum of 2 terms, therefore first term, second term. Okay. Y is a sum of 2 terms only. What is your answer? Minus 3 plus 2? Yes. Minus 1. Next. 0 plus 2? Yes, 2. 3 plus 2? Good, 5. That's all. Now, plot the points on the graph sheet. Plot the points on the graph sheet. Minus 1, comma, minus 1. Comma. 0, comma, 2. Comma. 1, comma, 5. Okay? Yes, very good. 1, comma, 5. See, plot the points. Minus 1, comma, minus 1. 0, comma, 2. 1, comma, 5 on the graph sheet. And join the points to get a straight line. Okay. Now first minus 1 comma minus 1. Minus 1 in x-axis and minus 1 in y-axis. Minus 1 in x-axis, minus 1 in y-axis. Suppose approximately this point. This point is minus 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1. Okay. Minus 1 in x-axis, minus 1 in y-axis. Minus 1 comma minus 1. Next one. 0 comma 2. 0 in x-axis and 2 in y-axis. So this point. 2 in y-axis. That is 0 in x-axis, 2 in y-axis, which is 0 comma 2. This point is 0 comma 2. Next. 1 comma 5. 1 in x-axis and 5 in y-axis. Suppose this point, which is 1 comma 5. Now listen again, minus 1 comma minus 1, 0 comma 2, okay, and 1 comma 5. Join these points. Using long scale, we want to join. Because I have no long scale like this, yes, I want to join these 3 points. Okay, approximately I want to join. Join these 3 points. Extend both downwards and also upward. Extend downward, also extend upwards. Yes, upwards arrow, downwards arrow. Listen, the first point is minus 1 comma minus 1, 0 comma 2. So this point is 0 comma 2. 0 comma 2, 1 comma 5. Draw the straight line. And downwards extend, upwards also you want to extend. See, on this straight line, you can tell me what is this straight line? This straight line, one can extend above also for our convenience. Suppose if we need means, we can extend upward. Because there is no place to write, so that is why I want to extend. Yes. Now, what is the line? Can you tell me what is the equation of the straight line? Yes. Y is equal to 3x plus 2. So, this equation of the straight line is y is equal to 3x plus 2. Okay, y is equal to 3x plus 2. Again, now listen to the concept. Draw the graph of y is equal to x square plus 4x plus 3. And hence, solve the equation. And hence, solve the equation x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Here, so it is a curve and which is a straight line. Here, the curve and the straight line does not intersect. Okay, but before month syllabus is, the curve and the straight line intersects, and from the point of intersection of the curve and the straight line, draw the perpendicular dotted line which meets at the x-axis, which is a solution set. But for this month syllabus, here the curve and the straight line does not intersect. Curve and the straight line does not intersect. Therefore, the roots of the equation x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0 are unreal roots, that is imaginary roots. That means the equation x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0 has no real roots. That is conclusion. Now I want to write conclusion. The conclusion is the curve and the straight line does not intersect. The curve y is equal to x square plus 4x plus 3 and the straight line listen, the curve y equal to x square plus 4x plus 3 and the straight line y is equal to 3x plus 2. Curve and the straight line does not intersect. Does not intersect. Okay? The curve and the straight line does not intersect. Therefore, the equation x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0 has no real roots. Therefore, the equation x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0 has no real roots. Has no real roots. Here has no real roots, so which is important. The equation x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0 has no real roots. So this practical geometry and graph is very, very important because 8 plus 8, 16 marks ready. So prepare well and get good marks in 5th unit. Thank you.